In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome default zoom settings. If websites feel too small to read, or you're on a high-resolution monitor where everything looks tiny, changing Chrome's default zoom can make a big difference. This setting controls how large or small pages appear every time you open them, so you don't have to zoom in and out on each site. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three vertical dots, often called the More menu. Click that to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with all your preferences in one place. On the Settings page, look to the left sidebar and click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels. In the main panel, find the option labeled Page Zoom. In some versions, you might see it referred to as page size, but it's the same idea. It sets the default zoom level for every website you visit. Click the drop-down next to Page Zoom. You'll see a list of percentages. 100% is the standard size. If text feels a bit small, try 110% or 125% for a comfortable bump without breaking layouts. If you prefer fitting more content on the screen, 90% can help. When you select a value, Chrome applies it immediately. New tabs will follow this default automatically, and existing tabs may update as you reload them. A quick tip: if a specific site looks off after you change the default, check the address bar for a small zoom indicator. That appears when a site has its own zoom saved. You can reset it there so it respects your new default. Also note that this setting scales the entire page, text, images, and interface elements, so everything stays in proportion. While you're in Appearance, you may notice a separate font size option. That one changes only the text size on supporting sites without scaling images. If you primarily want larger reading text while keeping images the same, that's a useful alternative. But for a consistent system-wide feel across all sites, Page Zoom is the quickest and most reliable approach. If your settings page looks different, make sure you're on a current version of Chrome and that you're viewing the desktop settings interface. After picking a zoom level, try a few of your regular websites to see how they look and adjust if needed. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots, go to Settings, open Appearance, and choose the page zoom that feels right for you. Your eyes will thank you every time you browse.